Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a spotlight on one of the best midi dresses for women available right now. The Shein Women's Wrap Tie-Side Scoop Neck Bodycon Midi Dress. This dress combines style and comfort effortlessly. It's made from a soft, high-stretch fabric that hugs your curves beautifully while ensuring comfort throughout the day. The material is thick enough to provide excellent coverage, so no need to worry about transparency. Let's talk about its features. The Shein Midi Dress features a flattering wrap design with a stylish knot detail on the side, complemented by a chic scoop neckline and a trendy asymmetrical hemline. These elements work together to create a look that's both sophisticated and modern. Whether you're heading to a party, a dinner date, or a special occasion, this dress is your go-to choice. Pair it with your favorite jacket or cardigan, accessorize with high heels and a statement handbag, and you're all set to turn heads. Before you make your purchase, be sure to check the size chart on Amazon to find your perfect fit. Remember, this dress is hand wash only to maintain its quality and shape. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a versatile and flattering midi dress to your wardrobe, the Shein Women's Wrap Tie-Side Scoop Neck Bodycon Midi Dress is a fantastic choice. Its blend of comfort, style, and affordability makes it a standout option for any fashion-forward individual. Thank you for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, stay stylish.